Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a simple PHP script that will add the sum of three numbers. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. We are here in my text editor. I'm using Sublime as my text editor in this PHP tutorial. So before we can start writing a code in PHP by having a less than question mark, and then we have here the word PHP, and then we can declare a series of variables. $A, let's say for example in $A we have 2, $B we have 3, and then $C we have 4. PHP variable declarations in PHP is very easy. It is a loosely typed programming language. It means that we can assign any data in our variable. There's no need for us to declare the data type in our variables before we can use it. So here we can have $sum equals open parenthesis $A plus $B plus $C semicolon. And then if we want to display, we can have echo paragraph p tag the sum of $A comma $B and $C is $sum period semicolon. I forgot to write the /p to end the paragraph. So after we are through, question mark greater than, and then after we have typed all the code here, we will save our work. Control S. Always remember that all the scripts, the code that we are working, should be saved in this folder if you are using some htdocs. So right click, new folder, it's example addition, the name of our folder, double click, and then we have here index.php. Save, open our web browser. Okay, we can have here addition, the folder where we save our script, and then press enter. So we have here the result. The sum of 2 that's stored in our variable $A 3 was assigned in variable $B, and 4 that is assigned in $C is 9. The sum of these three variables is stored in your $sum, and then we display. That's it. That's very simple in creating a program to add the sum of three numbers using PHP. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines, saying thank you very much for watching guys, and bye bye for now.